heart of sleeping mountains, where the mist touches the earth with hands of cotton, lies Lake Gruyère, a quiet mirror, guardian of winter. Its waters whisper ancient stories, of winds that wander, of villages that dream, of footsteps forgotten on the cold shores. Among fields waking beneath blankets of snow, life moves slowly, as if honoring time, as if understanding silence. The sky, heavy with clouds, closes over the mountains like a secret only winter can explain. And still, there is light. Light rising from the lake, light that insists on existing. Here, where everything pauses, where everything calms, the soul breathes deeper and discovers that it, too, needs a fragment of the infinite. Gruye, mirror of serenity, hold in your frozen breath the poetry the world has forgotten. And let all who gaze upon you carry with them a little of your peace.